recording me. Peekaboo! Where's the baby? Peekaboo! Where's the baby? Peekaboo! Where's the baby? Peekaboo! Where's the baby? Oh no! Peekaboo! Where's the baby? Peekaboo! Where's the baby? Peekaboo! Oh, too soon. Oh no, where's the baby? Where's the baby? She's gone. Jude, where are you? Jude! Peekaboo! Peekaboo! I found you! Where's the baby? Peekaboo!
How long will she do this for?
She'll do it forever. She thinks it's the funniest thing. I think she thinks we can't see her when... Oh no! Peekaboo! She's really sensitive to your scaredness of her not being there, though. She does it. The baby's peekaboo! As soon as you go, she takes it away.
Just don't do it. See how long she'll leave it there.
Oh, okay. Don't say where's the baby.
Yeah.
Okay.
Don't make the sound either.
She'll get disappointed.
Or just say her name instead. Uh-oh.
She knows she's being filmed now.
No, she's not gonna do it.
I know.
Okay,
It's
don't
all
look at her.
over.
Don't look at her.
She did it. Say hi. Hi. Say hi to all your fans. Say hi to all your fans.
Is he peekaboo? She's like, oh.
She knows peekaboo. She knows the word. You want
Yeah.
to play peekaboo? Play peekaboo. Where's the baby? Oh no, she's gone. Oh no, Jude, where are you? Jude, where's the baby? Where's the baby? Peekaboo.
I think she's eating it now.
Oh.
Yeah, she's eating it now. Sit
You
her up.
hungry?
Sit her up and give her the ball.
A ball.
The ball. It's in the basket.
Oh.
It's really funny.
Should I put a diaper on her first? Turn it off. I'll put a diaper on her.